guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! So today's video is going to be my monthly African Mall haul. Y'all already know I get some cute stuff from them every month because not only is the quality great and the price is really affordable, and I like you guys to look like bad bitches on the low. Thing is, people don't realize it's not the clothes you wear, it's how you wear it. So I'm about to have y'all looking real cute on a budget. I got some winter stuff. Like, I'm not gonna say like it was full winter because like I live in Arizona, so I can't really wear like super big puffy jackets and thick stuff. Like, it gets a little cold, but it's still pretty warm. But I did get pretty much all long sleeves, so if it is cold where you live, which is probably not because, hey, global warming. It didn't even snow anywhere this Christmas. Like, is my eyelash falling off? Anyways, let's get started with this video. All the links to everything I'm showing you will be in the description below, and I'm about to give y'all my honest opinion on everything. The first thing I'm gonna show you is this two-piece set. A lot of people told me that I looked cute in this, but I felt like I was wearing a Halloween costume, low-key. Super cute. I felt like I was in the Kill Bill movie. So this is what the skirt looks like. And then the top looks like this. It's like a little jacket with a high neck. So like it zips all the way up around your neck. I think it looks really, really cute on. I might actually use this, like I said, as a Kill Bill costume next year. I'm serious. Next, I got these two X hoodies. I was very, very surprised and shocked to find these on the website and it be like the proper spelling, because sometimes there's websites that like to sell like knockoff merch and then it'll have like one X or only two of them, but they actually got it right this time. So I went ahead and got the black one and the white one. I got them both in double X, so XXL, because I like my stuff to be a little baggy. If I wanted it to be fitted, I probably could have just got like a large. Next, I got this bodysuit. I think this is so freaking adorable. Like, I feel like I could wear this with anything that I own, basically. So the quality is amazing. I was very, very impressed when I got this and I felt how thick it was. So if you do live somewhere where it's cold, you can totally wear this and it will keep you warm because it is pretty thick. So it's a bodysuit. Looks like that. Tried it on for y'all. Y'all can see how it fits and everything. It's long sleeve, but these are all tucked in right now. But yeah, I love this. Next, I got this, and I believe I forgot to try this on, so I apologize. It's another bodysuit just like the other. Like, I've tried it on, but I forgot to film myself trying this on. It looks like this. I'm not sure what this says. If somebody wants to translate that, if that actually means something somewhere. But it's just a bodysuit like the last one. Just a plain black bodysuit, so I guess this bodysuit, I would recommend wearing a black bra with it, because if we wore a white one, it would definitely show through. Just saying. Next, I got a cropped turtleneck. This is what the neck looks like. It looks very, very long because it like bunches up. Like, you guys will see. You guys will see. I love how I'm like explaining it, but you guys will see how it fits and everything. And then it's cropped right here. So this I would have to wear with like something high-waisted. I already know how I'd wear this. I'd probably wear it with like some high-waisted jeans and some boots or something. Next, I got this dress, and when I saw it on the website, I was like, that actually looks so cute. Like, you could wear this with sneakers and be casual, or you could wear heels with it, which, bitch, I'm not putting on heels. So you will catch me in sneakers wearing this, like some really crisp white sneakers. And it's a turtleneck short dress. I was surprised that it went all the way down because honestly, when I order dresses online, which I rarely do, they're either way too short or they're way too long on me. And this one actually fits like at the perfect, or stops at the perfect place. So I'm happy about that. I got this hoodie that says Drunk God on it. I'm not a drinker. Honestly, I've probably only been drunk a handful of times in my life, but I just like the neon color. I got this in a size large. And it fits pretty good. I feel like you don't have to order oversized, but I'm just extra as fuck and I like things to be really big on me. Next, I got this shirt that I've actually been wanting for a while now because I saw this girl on Instagram wearing it and it looks so cute on her. And it's this nude mesh with orange, what's it called? Orange string, I guess, to add some like detail to it. And then you have this dragon on there, you know, Nikita dragon. The way I'd wear this is probably with like a little black bra underneath. Like, you know those cute ones that you can find at like Urban Outfitters, like those really cute lacy bras? I'd probably wear like a black one underneath this. I'm not bold enough to just wear it without anything underneath. And some people might be like, Vanessa, you said you don't like mesh. Oh goodness, I hate mesh. I think mesh looks so fucking cheap. Like, that's just me, that's my opinion. But this time I've been wanting this shirt, so I'm gonna let it slide this time. Like, I love how I'm talking about fashion, bitch, clothing, but you will catch me in a hoodie about 5 times out of the week. Next top that I got, a lot of people were asking me where I got my entire outfit. So if you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, what the fuck? If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'm at simplynessa15, or if you follow me on Snapchat at Vanessa Gabriella, which if you don't, Are you kidding me? I like to show you guys my outfits all the time, and I wore this shirt with these white pants and everyone was like, where did you get that outfit? So I'm here today to show you where I got the top. This is the top. It's this orange turtleneck. I'm just obsessed with turtlenecks. I think it's because I'm tall and I feel like they make me feel petite. Like it covers my neck a little bit so I don't look as like gigantor. I think that's why I like turtlenecks a lot. This is what it looks like. Nothing on the back. Super cute. It's very comfortable. The quality is great. I wore this without a bra and everything was held in place. And if you're wondering where I got the pants from, I believe it's called Modern Home. You're gonna have to look it up and find it. It was an Instagram shop. So now we come to the weirdest item of the haul. I don't even remember picking this out. I don't know if this got mixed up with something else, but I genuinely do not remember picking this out. When I look at this and when I tried it on, bitch, I look like Kim Possible. Like, fire whoever they hired for the new Kim Possible movie and hire me, because I literally thought that I was like going on like a SWAT mission or something. You guys will see it says Drunk God on it, so these are both from the same line, that little Drunk God line, I guess, and it goes all the way down. This is a one-piece suit. I literally look like I'm about to defeat the mega boss at the end of like each chapter of a video game. Like legitimately, that's what I look like, but it's actually really comfortable. So like I'm not gonna be wearing it out in public, but I'm probably gonna wear it around my house. The last thing I have to show you guys are their leggings. So I ordered them in 2 different sizes because I was curious to test the quality, because leggings are always so difficult for me to buy. Like they're either too thin or they're not long enough. Like I'm difficult when it comes to leggings, at least. So I got them in a medium and a large just to see how they fit, but I didn't like the quality myself personally. I didn't like the material. Like it's not what I like. So everything else that I got in this haul, I'm 100% cheerful for. I just don't like the leggings. It's always very iffy when it comes to ordering leggings online, especially if they're cheap, because it's easy to make leggings. They're literally just putting 2 pieces together and they're done. A black cloth, and sometimes companies will put like the most cheapest quality. So I wouldn't say they're like terrible, like, but I'm very picky. I feel like my lash is really falling off now. I'm just really freaking picky when it comes to leggings and stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it that I got from this haul this time. I'm gonna do a little LA haul for you guys because I got a lot of stuff from LA that I want to show you in another video. But yeah, that's it. If you guys are interested in anything that I showed you today, all the links will be below, and I'll see you all in my next video.